Hello sir. My name is Saba Parween. I, I with my teammate Saikat Mondal made a chatbot. This project is mainly to develop a sophisticated chatbot capable of providing information to user queries. The chatbot seeks to the bridge between the user and the wealth of knowledgeable accessible online. In this project, I worked in a front end to design the visual elements like buttons, icons, pictures, and input fields of the user queries. Further backend work is done by Saikat.
Hello sir, my name is Saikat Mondal and I am the backend developer of this project, and I mainly developed the core logic of the chatbot, including NLU, which stands for Natural Language Understanding, to process user queries knowledge from Wikipedia using its API, and also the API integration and the collaboration tools like GitHubs and Anaconda. So this is our case diagram, which is showing in the screen. So the journey of this chatbot development is a structured and a dynamic process. It all started with designing the architecture and selecting the right libraries and frameworks. From there we brings the chatbot to life by implementing the natural language processing and training this model, allowing it to understand and interact with users effectively. And after integrating essential APIs, we ensure the chatbot is ready to deployment. And once we launch this chatbot, the process does not stop here, and we will continue to update our chatbot by collecting our user feedbacks and improve our chatbot in futures. And we will also give some additional features like 24 into 7 chatbot AI assistants and multiple language like English, Hindi, Bengali, Urdu, etc. Thank you. So in the second part of this video, we are showing the prototype of our project chatbot. Here it is. So as this project is now on an undergoing process, this prototype takes some time to give result, and also it depends on the internet speed of the device.